To reduce air pollution, old and expired vehicles will be removed from the roads, said Sayyida Rizwana Hassan, the environmental advisor to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. She shared this information on June 30 during a meeting with Chinese air pollution experts at the Secretariat. She said the government is making short, medium and long-term plans to control air pollution. A working committee will also be formed to coordinate with different agencies. The advisor said several projects are already in progress, including zero soil, no brick fields, and air quality improvement programs. One major step will be removing old, unfit vehicles from the streets. She added that damaged roads will be repaired before winter by October. Gradually, expired vehicles will be taken off the roads. The government has also decided to buy 250 new vehicles as part of the plan. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.